Russell here from Ausclimate. I'm just here to talk to you about cleaning your air purifiers. Such an easy task, but a really important one. So we have here our full range of Australian WINIX air purifiers. So while I've got them here, basically if you're cleaning the outside of them, that's very simple. Just a damp cloth, microfiber cloth, gives them a bit of a wipe down. I suppose the most important part of cleaning is the actual filters. So whether it be the compact 360 all-in-one filter pack, or these other ones, a simple vacuum will do a lot of wonders. It'll help to prolong the life of the filters and make the air purifiers work a lot more effectively and get your 12 months or more life out of the machines. When you move on to the Zero model, of course, that might be a little different because you may be using the PET filter, and if you're going to be replacing that once each month, then make sure that when you do that, use your vacuum cleaner, clean the pre-filter, and whenever you're pulling any of the filters out, make sure you clean in the back wherever the accessible parts are. So, as I said before, cleaning is easy, but it's so important.